Alright guys, the time has come. I'm about to start taking all this stuff off the car wheel, the lip kit and the wheels, so I can go ahead and take it to my mechanic's house so he can get all the stuff that's messed up on it, fix all the mechanical stuff, and then after he finishes it, I'm gonna get him to take it to the paint shop while I'm in Texas. So yeah. Alright guys, so bad news. Since I added camera to the rear, I haven't had these on. And check this out. Focus, damn it. It won't focus. But anyway, that the tire is on my coil, and I still got my spacers on and all that, so really ain't no way around it, because I'd have to take the camber out the rear and then put them on. So I don't even know. I guess I'll just leave the rears on, I guess. Trying to think of something else. Nope, I've got nothing. Well, that'd be kind of dumb. I was about to say I could run both of my spacers on the rear, but I'm not doing that. But I also don't want my wheels to be on while it's at the paint shop. Yeah, I just have to leave the rears on. I may see, like, if the guy that did my the guy that ran my camber, Jeff, I'm gonna see if he can I'm just see if he can take the camber out while he has it, while he's working on it or whatever, and if before he take it to paint, see if he can do that. If not, I just won't worry about it. I'll just leave those two wheels on. And look at my fender. Shit's cracked. Right there. Turn this ISO down. But right there. Damn. Well, I guess. So I just ran off on the plug twice because I forgot I had these. So I threw those on and we good. It's away from the spacer. Well, the coil, so we should be good. My luck, I go down the road and the whole wheel just come off. But somebody got to do it. So that side is done. Got the stockies on, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all this crap off. And I need some new windshield wipers. Look at how I've been neglecting the Avalon. I really need a garage. I wish this was still clean. I could be keeping it in there, but. And also after this, I'm gonna, since I haven't really been washing it much, I'm gonna wash it up, clean it up a little bit. Have it looking better than it's looking now, so. Alright guys, here it is. I'm about to meet my cousin at my house, and Well, we got to come back up here and get the 2 front wheels because I don't want to put them in my car. So here we are. Done with all that, and I seen that, I apologize for this, by the way. I seen in the other my other vlog that like the lens was kind of like blurry looking, like it had grease on the lens or something. And I also had another problem, like I seen when I showed y'all the wheels, it was like this or something like that. But here's the full wheel. It's 17 by 9. These are the wheels for the daily. Those of you who are new to the channel, I'm talking about my Civic. Alright guys, it's another day. Today is Friday, and today I'm getting the piece needed for the Civic's trimming, the part that kept throwing it off track. Getting that, and then I'm taking it to the guy that's supposed to put the window in and also put the trimming in. So that'll be getting done today. So it'll have a window at least while I'm in Texas. And I'm probably also gonna leave. Damn, this should be tripping sometimes. I'm also gonna leave the Civic with Jeff too, but I'm gonna get my cousin to take it to him after he finished with the Avalon. And I will see y'all when I'm, I guess, leaving the Honda dealership. So I'm in Texas now. I had to get another regulator for the window because like one part on my regulator was bent. So he said that he think it was making it like the top part of the window like tilt up like that. So I had to get another one of those. Ordered it, and my dad bought it, and he dropped the car off yesterday. So hopefully I'll hear something back from that, and then after that I will be trying to get the AC and everything put into the Civic, and I may order the rest of those wheels while I'm here in Texas and have the tires there, so when I get there I can just throw the wheels on. Well, get them mounted, then throw the wheels on. But I'm not sure because I might like redo like the whole do like a whole front end kit on it. Then I'll do like all the maintenance stuff, like fluids and all that stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Y'all stay tuned, and I will be dropping another vlog pretty soon, probably within like a week or so. But thank you for watching. Like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.